Today we have the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle has done just under 79,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access radio, media, our controls, which include heated seats and a heated steering wheel, climate control, navigation, smartphone integration and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.